was blowing up were these pagers, older devices which can receive text messages. This is believed to be one of the models targeted.
So most of the injuries appear to be to the face, especially to the eyes, and also to the hand with some amputations, whether it's in the hand or finger amputations. And some of them have injuries to their flank. And as you know, the vast majority of people who are presenting to the emergency rooms are in their civilian clothes, so it's very difficult to discern whether they belong to a certain entity like Hezbollah or others. But we are seeing that there are, including amongst them, people who are old or people who are very young, like the child that unfortunately died. And there are some of them who are healthcare workers. I think, the obvious culprit has to be the Israelis. But I think that the security people will have more to say on this issue.
So, it's somewhat surprising that Hezbollah would rely on pagers, knowing that Israel has a history going back decades of being able to detonate electronic devices. Ironically, there were reports in the media not that long ago that Hezbollah essentially broadcast to the world that they were downgrading from cell phones to pagers in order to prevent Israeli intelligence from tracking people using the GPS capabilities. Why they would broadcast something like that to the world, I cannot tell you.